Hi everyone, this is Dalis for Kat Scrappiness. Welcome to the introduction of 3 new glitter cardstock paper packs. These paper packs are 6x6 and they are made from a heavy cardstock. If you have never tried our glitter cardstock, this is the time to do it. It is a no mess glitter look. They are printed in cardstock. There is no glitter mess, no glitter falling out, and it is just a perfect look. Let's start with the silver glitter cardstock. It has 6 different gradations of the silver color from a very dark silver to a medium dark, and it keeps getting lighter and lighter until it is almost a very light smoke color. Next, we have the gold glitter. Again, 6 different gradations of the yellow goldish color from a dark color to a medium dark, and it keeps getting lighter and lighter until a soft, buttery glitter yellow color. And then our last color, it is the Christmas glitter. This one has 7 patterns, and you're going to have 8 of each design. So you get 3 greens, a gold, a light gold, and 2 reds. One is more like a maroon red, and the other one is more like a bright Christmas red. Loving these 7 colors on this pack. These are all part of our Grinchmas collection. Goes perfectly with our Merry Grinchmas set. And like here, it's all printed. There is not going to be any rubbing of glitter. No glitter mess anymore. So come check out the cardstock glitter at the Kat Scrappiness store.